Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an Hermes unboxing. So this video is all about one of the cheapest or the most affordable items that you could purchase at Hermes. So once again, I got this on the website. I purchased this in the website, but you can also purchase this at the store. But the reason why I got it online, that's because last year I did an unboxing on this. I've purchased several of these and gifted them, and I was totally blown away with their packaging. I mean, just the packaging itself, it's like it's worth it. So this particular item is worth at least $40, and I was totally blown away last year with the packaging. It came in with, actually, I'm just going to show you the one that I got from last year. So this is from last year. It was actually wrapped in a box like this, a $40 item wrapped in a box like this. It came in with a bulldog ribbon and as well as the receipt. So anyway, this year I placed one of these just to see if their packaging. So I've actually gifted other stuff. This year I'm actually gifting Louis Vuitton to some of my friends, and I've actually found a lot of really nice goodies from Louis Vuitton. And then I also received quite a lot of messages last year when I did the cheapest thing that you could actually buy at Hermes. And this is one of the item, and they asked me how I got it, and I said I didn't do anything special. What I did was just place an order, put it in a checkout, and then I actually request to have this one as a gift. So there is an option right there where you could actually write the message if it is like a gift. So that's just what I did. I didn't do anything special, but the packaging for that is absolutely amazing. So anyway, so the package came in with this bag like this as usual, and then like that, and then there is a box inside. So I just removed all the information that I have. So this is the box. Like, somehow there is a possibility that they put it in the box or they just put it in the ribbon, because last year they told me some of them, they receive their item just with this bulldog ribbon. It's not even, there's no tissue paper at all. They didn't even put it in a box. I don't know why, but I have put several orders last time and I gifted them, and they're also happy. They were like, they're more than happy with the box. I'm not sure with the item that they received, but they were so happy to see the Hermes orange box. So anyway, so this is how it came in with. Okay. So this is through gifting. Okay, so that's how it looks right there. It does seem to look like your item is pretty secure. And then, okay, oh, here's the item. Oh my gosh, guys, right away, there is no orange box. So I guess they have stopped giving away orange box, because yeah, I know that this is around $40. They put it in a box, so plus the shipping is always free. So this is how it came in with. Plus there is yeah, this is the magazine. No, this is the newspaper. Yeah, it's a men's newspaper. It's just all about the ties right here, the silk tie and everything. Yeah, so I guess when you purchase something, you'll get this newspaper. This is for the fall and winter of 2021. So that's that right there. And then let's go ahead and open this. And I can already smell it. And wow. Oh my gosh. The packaging is entirely different from last year. Okay. So this is what I got. That is what's in the box. Oh my gosh. So once again, they gave you the sample and the newspaper right here. So yeah, here's what I ordered. And there's not even a ribbon in it. So they just put it right here on this stuff. So this is the receipt. And this is a personalized message because I requested to have it as a gift. So usually maybe if you do that option, they make the packaging even more nicer and more appealing. That's what I thought. So this is what I ordered. The orange verte, and this is a perfume bath soap. Guys, this one is actually amazing. The soap smells so good. And the reason why I picked this one out of all the soaps that they have, that's because this particular piece is actually a multi-purpose. So let me just show you last year, the one that I got. So this is how it came. The package last year. So this is for 2021 and this is for 2020, and the packaging is absolutely amazing with the yellow with the orange box. And this is what I got. And look, I haven't, this is actually mine. So since I have several of these, I actually never open it. This one, see, it came in with this container right here, and look at that right there. You can actually feel the debossed Hermes logo, and this is perfect for if you want to store it, if you put some jewelry in here or anything like that. It's actually perfect. So I think that for $40, this is perfect for gifting, knowing that you could also get this container right here, which is actually reusable. So it's up to you and how you're going to use this. You put it like in your makeup room, powder room, or it could be in your bathroom, anywhere. Like you could put jewelry in here. This is so cute. So that's the reason why I ordered this and I gifted it. That's for that reason. And it is highly affordable for, yeah, it is multi-use and multi-purpose stuff. And also it is an Hermes, and also the packaging as well is absolutely amazing. But did I get disappointed or not? I don't know, because I know that Hermes only package, they included the orange box. They actually put it on the website though, that there are certain items that they could not put it on the orange box, and I think these are one of those. And also some of their books or some of the items like are huge items. So for these, really last year I was really after for their packaging because I was totally blown away by that, and my friends love it so much. And this year I will be keeping it for myself, and the packaging is all right. It's not that bad at all. But yeah, like you expected would be like, I was just taking chances. Who knows if if they pack it in a different way, but I'm just letting everybody know, to those of you who have watched my video last year, I didn't do anything special with the order. I actually tick right there in my order and the checkout that this is a gift. So that's what I did. I didn't do anything special, and they wrap it beautifully in all of those items that I purchased. I think I purchased around 5, and they were all wrapped and packed beautifully with the box. And with the box itself, this is the packaging. It has this pillow right here. Imagine that. For 40 bucks, they gave you the pillow. Wow, that's amazing. I understand that the packaging right here, this one is delicate, but I could not even imagine why they have to include a pillow in it. So the pillow makes it even extra special though. So yeah, this year, unfortunately, Hermes are not giving away those orange boxes. I'm so sorry. So, but even without the orange box, I think it's still worth it. For this one right here, the container, and as well as this soap, it smells so good. I think it's worth it. Absolutely, it's worth it. It's perfect for gifting. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.